Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Okay, so we have first, there is a total of 32 teams. We are dividing these two teams into two conferences, Conference 1, Conference 2. There is 3 leagues in each conference. Each conference has 16 teams. And in one of these conferences, one of these groups has 5 teams. Suppose that we think about only one of them. We know that it's gonna play 4 games with the teams that are there. So that would make, there is 4 teams left because they can play against each other, against itself. So that would be 16 games against those ones. It also is also gonna play 3 games with the ones that are in the same conference but in a different subgroup. So that's gonna be, there is 11 of these ones left here. So there is gonna be 33 more games. And there is also gonna have 2 games against each one in the other conference. And in the other conference, there is 16 teams, so that means 32 games. So in total, if we add them all, we have 81 games. Okay. So what we're trying to calculate is how many different ways we can arrange these games. Now, since any of these 4 games that they play against each one of these teams are going to be indistinguishable, we are assuming that we don't know the results before, so we can consider those games indistinguishable. We are going to have 81 games, and so 4 are going to be against one team, so they are indistinguishable. Another 4 are indistinguishable. Other 4 indistinguishable, and other 4 indistinguishable, right? So that gives us 4 to the 4 because we have 4 teams against which they play 4 games. Similarly, and we can generalize this a little bit more, we are going to have 3 factorial for each team that is in the same conference but it's not in that division. So that's going to be 3 factorial to the 11 because there is 11 teams. And similarly, we can do the same for the rest of the 16 teams that play 2 games. So 2 factorial to the 60. So that's going to be our result, 81 factorial over 4 factorial to the 4, 3 factorial to the 11, and 2 factorial to the 60. And that's all the combinations that we can make.